Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your American Military University portal. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search AMU login. Once you make search, you'll find American Military University application login. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username and your password. In case you forget your username and password, you can click here to reset it. If not, then just log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.